Should you repair or replace your Telford, Pennsylvania roof? Understanding the difference between the two projects is essential to making the best decision for your home. First, you need to consider the age of your roof. For instance, asphalt shingle roofs are expected to last 15 to 30 years. If it's at the end of its expected lifespan, it's wise to get it replaced. Throwing money at endless repairs will wreak havoc on your budget. Next, consider the amount of damage. If your roof has experienced storms or fallen trees, replacement may be the only option. Smaller areas of mold and rot are easily repaired. Finally, you need to consider your budget. If you can't afford a full roof replacement, repairs might be a viable option. However, if you plan on staying in your home for the foreseeable future and want to avoid the cost of frequent repairs, investing in a new roof is often the wiser choice. Whether you need repairs or full replacement, rely on Baines Roofing for all your roofing needs. Call us today at 215-855-ROOF to schedule your free estimate.